Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I am going to create this beautiful glowy summery look for you guys. So this is a complete makeup tutorial including eye makeup, and I did this flawless glowy base for you guys. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this beautiful look, then please keep on watching. So the first thing I will take is the Maybelline Strobe cream, and I'm going to mix it with my Body Shop Glow Moisturizer, and I will apply this on my face. I learned this trick from Debashri Banerjee, and you can see how it makes my skin glow. I absolutely love this trick. Next up is foundation, and for foundation I'm using the NYKAA Skin Genius Liquid Foundation. I'm in the shade 03. I'm blending it with my Henna Beauty Sponge. For my cream contour, I'm going with my Pack Take Cover Concealer. And to blend out my cream contour, I'm using the NYKAA Stippling Brush. For my concealer, I'm going with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade number 25. And I'm also blending that with my Henna Beauty Sponge. To bake my under eyes, I'm taking this Makeup Revolution Banana Loose Powder. And while it's baking, I'm going to fill in my brows with the Freedom Brow Pomade in the shade Ash Brown. Now I'm just dusting off my baking powder from my face with the help of Pack 214 brush. Now I will be using the Bahama Mama bronzer from the BALM Cosmetics. Now I'm taking this shade from the Makeup Revolution Ultra Pro Glow palette, and I'm just applying that over the Bahama Mama bronzer I used. For my blush, I'm going with the GLAMGALS blusher in the shade 34. Setting my face with the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. And for my highlighter, I'm going with the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. The brush here I'm using is from Sigma. This is F42. And the brush here I'm using is from PAC Cosmetics. This is 115. Now I will just prime my eyelids with the same Maybelline concealer. For my eye makeup, I will be using the So Hot palette by FOCALLURE. First, taking the shade Chili on my Vichy Pro Shadow brush, and I will apply that on my crease and blend it out. Next, I'm taking the shade Tomato on my Pack 213 brush, and I will just blend it on my crease. Now I'm taking the shade Flamingo, and you can see it's such a pretty shade, and I'm just applying that on my eyelids with my finger. Then I will go ahead and apply this with the shader brush from Morphe. Now I'm just taking the shade Chili and Tomato and applying that on my lower lash line with the help of my Vichy Pro Smudger brush. Now applying some mascara on my top and bottom lashes. and applying the same highlighter on my inner corners and my brow bone. Lastly, for my lipstick, I went with the Sugar Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick in the shade Cotta Terracotta. This is such a stunning shade, you guys. This will definitely suit all the skin tones out there. I would highly recommend this shade. So off camera, I went for MILI lashes from Vichy and Stay Quirky liquid eyeliner. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you like this tutorial, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you want to buy any of the products I have used in this video, do check out the description box below. I will mention all the links. So yeah, that's it. I hope to see you again on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye guys.